Hi Creeplings, welcome back to my channel. We are continuing the Zodiac series, which is in collaboration with Anastasia, whose links I will have down below, so be sure to check out her video. This piece is the 4th out of 13 pieces, and it will be Taurus. So for this video, I'll be rambling off some Taurus details, information, facts, and all that good stuff. And I'll be leaving captions on screen as to what I'm doing in the video. I'll be starting with the April forecast for Taurus. This is from Refinery 29. Get excited, Taurus, because very soon you and your whole life is going to change. Change for a steady earth sign like yours might be terrifying, but know that this is the natural way of the earth and the universe. Thankfully, you have some time before things start to really shake. Uranus, the planet of unexpected change and upheaval, won't enter your sign until May. For now, focus on going inward. The Sun and Mercury retrograde in your house of undoing is helping you to do some fiery introspection. Think of it as lighting candles in a dark space and seeing what you couldn't before. For better or for worse, it's best to sit with the inner thoughts you find and see what resonates with you. What ideas do you secretly hold that may be undermining your personal growth? And where are you afraid to take charge? You could be hesitating to take action on beliefs and worldviews with Mars and Saturn joining up in your house of higher knowledge and expansion. This could show up as hesitating to take that trip to Brazil for fear of something going wrong, or maybe not signing up for that class you've always wanted to because you think you won't be able to keep up with the coursework. Whatever it is, attempt to make sense of these fears, even if they feel uncomfortable. Venus, your ruling planet, will lend a helping hand in your house of self to remind you that, despite all the mental shakeups behind the scenes, you're still quite fabulous and wonderful. Embrace the change, and it will all pan out in the end. Here are some traits about Taurus from allure.com. Taurus is an earth sign represented by the bull. Like their celestial spirit animal, Taurians enjoy relaxing and serene, bucolic environments surrounded by soft sounds, soothing aromas, and succulent flavors. It's true that in their perfect world, Taurians would spend all day bathing in a tub overflowing with essential oils. At the same time, these earth signs know the value of $1. Taurians aren't afraid to roll up their sleeves and work hard to earn big rewards. These earth signs are ambitious, focused, and resilient, and they feel most secure when steadily putting money away into a savings account. Cosmic Oxen are all about return on investment, and Taurians know how to play the long game in both professional and romantic pursuits. Security is paramount for Taurians, and any threat to their stability will be sure to have a celestial bull seeing red. a sign, Taurus is fixed, an astrological quality that reflects Taurus's steadfast, loyal nature. Fixed signs are excellent at maintaining systems, and Taurians prioritize consistency and reliability in all areas of their lives. It must be noted, however, that Taurus does have a bit of a reputation. What a Taurus perceives as dedication is often regarded by others as stubbornness. Accordingly, these bulls may end up lingering in unhealthy situations, whether relationships, jobs, or homes, longer than necessary just to prove a point. Despite their occasional obstinance, however, Taurians are dependable partners, soothing their friends and lovers through their trustworthiness and devotion. As I'm finishing up this sculpt, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe for more videos that are going to be in our Zodiac series, as well as some tutorials that I have planned. And real quick, I'll be reopening my Etsy shop on April 27th. For the latest updates, follow me on Instagram @creeptwee. See you in the next video. Bye!